Hi Sam! Today is a very special day. It's the 1st of March. We are finally getting the keys to our new home. It has been a lifelong dream to own a house where we can build a future and have a more permanent settlement. And now it's finally happening. Since I was young, I moved multiple times within the Philippines, within Denmark, and within Norway. All these changes made me want to seek or long for something more permanent, a place to call home with my little family. Last year, we sold our apartment, where we had lovely memories for 5 years. And in November 2024, we found the house for us. In this video, I'll share with you our humble abode. Since it's just turnover, the house will be empty, so you'll get a glimpse of it in its raw form. We're very excited to turn it into our very own home in the coming days and months. Located in one of the districts of Drammen here in Norway, it has a lot area of 938 square meters and the house is 196 square meters. It is around a 15-minute drive to the city center. We like the place because of its quiet and peaceful ambience and child-friendly character. So, we have gotten the keys. Welcome to our casa. We have here a double garage which would need some love and improvement in the future. Here, we envision some storage space and a place where my husband can do his creative building hobbies. The floor needs to be concretized, but we'll get to that later on. On the first floor are bedrooms, a washroom, and bathrooms. So let's go have a look. This is bedroom number 1, but we think this will also work as an office. Here we have the washroom, which also has a door to the lawn or garden. they are almost the same size. Let's check out the view from the windows. This is the bathroom. It's quite spacious. I'd love a bathtub here one day. And here is an extra toilet, which is perfect for guests or when you want privacy in the bathroom. Now let's go upstairs. So this is our kitchen, which will also need a lot of love and redecorating in the future. I'd love to change the cabinets, but we have to save up for that first. My husband and I love to experiment in the kitchen when the mood is right. Here's our living room. We haven't really decided yet where to place what. Perhaps the dining table here. The TV and sofa there, and a play space or reading space over here. What do you think of the walls? This area really gives some cabin feels. And here we have a door that leads to the terrace and the garden. I'm looking forward to summer evenings here. I'm all up for barbecue. In the future, I'd love a fence over there to protect us from the nearby road and to give more privacy. The previous owner said that there used to be a fence there, but it was sadly destroyed by heavy snow. You can also see a little storage house there, or a playhouse, and some pine trees over there, which would maybe be perfect for a treehouse. There are also plant boxes, but I'll save that for another day when Ice and Snow go on vacation. But I really love our mini forest backyard. Now let's check out the loft. We feel like this would be perfect for a reading nook and maybe my hobby room or a play space for the cats. And here, a guest room. Now let's check out the view from the windows. There you have it. Isn't this a lovely abode? We feel thankful and blessed to finally have a place we can more permanently call home. I hope the cats and our little boy will love this place because they're basically in our minds when we chose this house. Tomorrow, we will start painting some of the rooms, get some furniture, and move the rest of our stuff here. I'm very excited and a bit curious as to how it will go. My due date is also coming soon, so I have to take things slow, or as they go. Have you tried moving houses while on your third trimester? Anyway, thank you for joining me today, and I wish you all the best and more blessings to come. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe for more. Ha det bra!
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better.